How to calculate dehumidifier sizing and select a dehumidifier. Dehumidifiers are of two types: the condensation type and the desiccant type. If your room temperature is above 10 degrees, we recommend the condensation dehumidifiers, and for the room temperatures below 10 degrees, we recommend desiccant dehumidifiers. To select a dehumidifier model, we need to know the capacity of humidity to be removed from your room. We can calculate the dehumidifier sizing by considering your room dimensions, temperature and humidity. You can calculate the capacity in liter per day, which is the difference between the present humidity and the desired humidity. Selecting a dehumidifier will differ for different applications like warehouses, pharmaceutical plants, food processing unit, cold storage, homes, data centers, construction companies, airlines and so on. The dehumidifiers are made by Trautech Germany with high-quality standards. You can calculate the amount of humidity to be removed by clicking on this link and select a suitable dehumidifier. Also, please see the video on points to be careful while buying a dehumidifier. For pricing and purchasing, contact our sales team today. Vaca Global offers all types of dehumidifiers for domestic, commercial and industrial applications. Subscribe our YouTube channel and stay updated with our latest videos.